This is a very exciting composition to be created today here at Descanso, and I'm going to show you how to make a old world Dutch Masters floral composition. Let's get started. Because I'm using so many stems and branches today, I want to make sure that the flowers and foliage will have enough water and stay hydrated. And in the floral industry, we do use flower foam. You can also use chicken wire and create yourself a little nest in whatever container you're using. And so I have my foam in place, and I'm gonna just secure it with this piece of chicken wire. When designing, I always like to start with using foliage, and I kind of let the foliage and flowers dictate where they need to go. And so you want to create this base. I am going to go for a really lovely, organic, and whimsical look today. It's really lovely to incorporate some flowers that cascade. You can incorporate vines. If you think back to the still life Dutch master paintings, there's a lot of movement, there's a lot of depth, an explosion of color. It's a lot of fun to incorporate all these different textures into your arrangement. And so let's get started. And so we have it. We are finished for today with our floral composition. I just want to talk about a few things with you while you are home, imagining up your next creation. Really let the flowers dictate where they want to go. You don't have to necessarily use the same things if you don't have access to the same things. And really just look at the line and the shape. You want to have different heights and variation when you're creating a composition. Look to have depth and texture, color. It's always nice to choose colors that are harmoniously working together. And it's really nice to incorporate, berries and vegetables and fruits. I wanted to evoke the Dutch master painting here, those beautiful still life paintings that we all love. So I just want to thank everyone so much for tuning in and watching this beautiful piece come to life. I had so much fun today. Thank you so much, and please stay safe and have a wonderful day.